Hello everybody, this is my garage door. It's new. Okay, I forgot you can zoom in. So I'm going to be opening it. Oh. There we go. It uses a code. Sorry about the mess. Then, here's it closing. This is brand new. I know it's messy because of the rain and such. Stuff that was happening. So we're going to open it one more time. Here's it opening. I know it grinds just because it needs to settle down a little more. That noise is bad. And then here's it closing. This is a new door. Took forever to get it on. Well, it only took a day because my dad's brother was here. So if you want to see me open it again, like and subscribe.